Question number 2 from Standard 2, reading 91.3. A stockbroker who is a CFA Institute member is called on a telephone by CEO of a large company. Okay, so stockbroker को call आया है from a CEO of a large company, and CEO is asking to buy shares of CEO's company for the accounts of CEO children. Okay, so stockbroker has received a call from CEO, and that CEO is asking to buy few stocks of CEO's companies for his children's account. Okay, in the course of the conversation, CEO says this will really pay off when the upcoming takeover goes through. Now the information is coming from CEO, so you can rely on that information. खुद का ही कंपनी है, he is CEO over there, so उसी कंपनी में he is working, so whatever information is coming from CEO is someone from the management, so the information which we receive from the management, we can rely on that information. The source of information is a reliable. Also, CEO is mentioning that this will really pay off if, like a stockbroker, if he buys the stock, this will pay off when the upcoming takeover goes through. मतलब there would be takeover, and so उसके बाद it will really pay off. मतलब the price of that stock will go up after the takeover. The stockbroker checks her sources and finds no information about the takeover. So this information is non-public information. It is not available publicly. Market में available नहीं है, because stockbroker, she had checked the sources, but she didn't find anything about that takeover. But CEO is giving her this information. So this information would be material non-public information. Why? Because this information is not publicly available, so non-public है, insider information है, and yes, this information is important information. Why? Because first of all, it is coming from a CEO, and there would be price impact. So this would be material also. So material non-public information. So whenever you are in a position of material non-public information, you should not trade on that information. You should not pass on that information. You should not write a research report on that information, and try to make that information publicly available by reaching out to the management of that company and ask them to make that information publicly available, so that everyone can trade on that information and take the advantage from that information, right? So let's see question में क्या पूछा है. In this case, the broker should. Now broker is in a position of material non-public information, so he should A is do neither of the actions listed here. Let's see B and C में क्या दिया है वो actions. B is execute the order for all the clients as required by the standard 3B fair dealing. If he buys the stock of that CEO's company in all the clients' account, it would be violation on stockbroker's front. Why? Because he is trading on the information. यहाँ पे they have given about like standard 3B fair dealing trade in the like all the clients account, but first of all he should not trade not in a single client का account या खुद के account पे. If he does that, he would be in a violation of standard 2A material non-public information. So B is ruled out. C is only execute the order in compliance with the standard 3A loyalty, prudence and care. Since the client is buying the stock for the children, there is no problem. Even if he buys in any of the client's account, it would be a problem. Even if it is like children ka account, CEO children account, still ultimately he is trading on the material non-public information, which he should not do. That's why even C is ruled out. So correct answer would be do neither of the actions listed here. So he should not trade on that information. That's why B and C both are ruled out, and the correct answer is A.